Hi, my name is Katie Powers, and I am your local realtor and credit repair specialist. Today, I want to bring to you some information on what I'm seeing in the real estate market locally here in San Antonio. And we've seen a very large boom in our market coupled with low interest rates. So what that means for you as a first-time home buyer is more bang for your buck. Why that is so important is you get a larger buying power with those low interest rates means that you can get a home that is more expensive or a higher dollar home and still keep that low monthly payment. So what I've done to help you first-time home buyers, because I know I've been there, it gets a little overwhelming, I've put together a really nice comprehensive first-time home buyer guide. And I've attached it into a link below in the description that you can download and take a look at. I've also included my cell phone, email, that you can be able to reach out to me. I would be honored to be your realtor of choice and just be your source of information if you have any questions on buying a home, as well as if you need some help with your credit, I'm here to help. So thank you so much for your time today, and I look forward to hearing from you.